In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate tax report in Xero. We'll walk through using Xero's sales tax report so you can quickly review your tax totals and save or share a clean copy for filing. Start by going to xero.com. Once you're in your organization's dashboard, head to the main menu and open reporting. This section houses all your financial and compliance reports in one place. Next, choose all reports to view the full library. If you have lots of options, scrolling is fine, and there's also a search box if you prefer. For this task, scroll down to the tax section and select Sales Tax Report. Depending on your region, it may appear as Sales Tax Summary, and that's exactly what we want. When the Sales Tax Summary opens, set your reporting period using the from and to fields. Pick dates that match the exact filing period you need, monthly, quarterly, or annual, so the totals align with what your tax authority expects. If you see any additional filters or basis settings on your screen, leave them as they are unless your accountant has advised otherwise. Clear, accurate dates make reconciliation and filing much smoother. After setting the dates, click Update. Xero will refresh the report and calculate the totals for taxes collected on sales and taxes paid on purchases, along with any net amount due or refundable. Before moving on, give the numbers a quick review to make sure the period is correct and that nothing looks out of place like unusually high or low totals. If you want to provide context for yourself or your team, you can add a summary. Use the summary area to note what's included in this report period, any adjustments or one-off items, and who reviewed the figures. A short note can save a lot of back and forth later, especially during audits or when sharing the report with stakeholders. Once you're satisfied, choose how you want to finalize it. If you need a saved snapshot that stays put in Xero, click Publish. Publishing creates a version you can easily find again and reference without it changing when new transactions are added later. If you need to share the report outside Xero or store it in a folder, click Export. You can export to formats like PDF or a spreadsheet depending on what you prefer for filing or analysis. Name the file clearly with the period and organization so it's easy to locate later. That's it. By navigating to reporting, opening all reports, selecting the sales tax report, setting your dates, clicking Update, optionally adding a summary, and then publishing or exporting, you'll have a clean, reliable tax report ready to go.